Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox our Bella Vita parcel that we got, the deodorant. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. We are unboxing the package here. A perfume that we got from Bella Vita. Okay, man, it looks green, nicely packed. It looks big. Can't wait to take this out and check what is the package all about. This is the Impact Man from Bella Vita. It is a 100 ml perfume box. It all looks green, emerald green. So it goes with my background here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Bella Vita has nice packaging and the perfumes. So let's open this from here. Let's look at what is written on the box. No other detail. Okay, it is costing us $8.99. So let's take this out. Okay, oh my god, this is one big bottle, man. The packaging and the bottle looks nice, premium. This is all engraved in golden color paint, man. This is like, oh my god, man, good quality of bottle. You can see, you get the premium feel when you hold it in your hand. So let's spray and see what it smells like. Fine, it's good. Not that impressive, but yeah, I like this. This is Impact Man, Bella Vita. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.